What's up, YouTube? Top Tactic Fishing here. Welcome to another episode. I'm here on the Schuylkill River and we're doing a Flathead Catfish episode for you guys today. I apologize in advance if the quality of this video is not going to be the best because it is raining right now. And it's nighttime. So we kind of got two things kind of going against us, but we'll try our best. But the purpose of today's video is I'm going to be comparing live bait versus cut bait for flathead catfish. As you know, you can catch both. You can catch flathead on both types of bait, essentially. I don't know. With me, I just like kind of comparing baits, and I just figure since the spawn is over, what these flathead catfish are kind of in the mood for. So, purpose of the video is not to say one is better than the other, but we're going to be using 3 rods. I have 2 rods out right now. One has a cut bait with a bluegill headpiece. Another one has a live bluegill, and I'm going to use a chunk piece on my 3rd rod. We're going to get the 3rd one tossed out, so stay tuned. Oh yeah. Fish on. Let's see what we got here. It's right on the live bait. He's still out there. There he goes. Small little guy, but it's a flathead. Or is it? Yep, it's a flathead. Whew, are we live? Yep, we're live. Nice. Yeah, I don't have my other camera on right now, guys, because of the rain. So I'm sorry if you didn't get a chance to see that too well, but let me see if I can. There it is though, guys. Nice flathead. Beautiful. All right, guys, this is our first flathead of the night. Small one, maybe going like 6 pounds. I'm not sure, but definitely not double digits. Nice fish though on the live bait. So it's always good catching flatheads in a new spot. We're gonna go ahead and release this one. But yeah, a little surprising how that small flathead caught that. You know how I use that. Anyways, I usually do better with the cut bait than with the live bait. So check this rod over here. This one I'm really gonna have to pay attention to. Anyways, I'm hoping that we can get another one. All right, guys, it's been pretty quiet, probably for the last almost 45 minutes to an hour. I did change baits and recast it on this one. I put a new bluegill head on one of the rods, and then on one of the rods down here, I used, I did have a bluegill head on this one, but I put a live bait on this one. So we have 2 rods now that have live bait and 1 rod that has cut bait. Just because we already got a fish on the live bait, so just trying to, maybe they're in the mood for live bait tonight. So hopefully we get another one, give it some more time. We'll give it some more time. Stay tuned. There we go. Right on the cut bait. Feels decent. Feels bigger. All right. Yeah, this guy has definitely a little bit more shoulders in him. Gosh, he like picked it up and like ran. He feels bigger. He feels decent. This one might go in the teens. Trying to bring him over here. Let's see what we got. Of course, the rain stopped, which is nice. It's always nice when that rain stops. Bite usually starts to pick up after a rain. I hope he doesn't cross on the other line. Try to bring him over here. Mercy. But I think he's the biggest one of the night. Of course, I can't see him yet. Not as big as I thought. Not as big. Bigger. He's bigger. He's in the teens. Ooh. Actually, yes, baby. Oh, man. Look at this one, guys. Oh, man, this is 20s. Easy. This is definitely worth it. All right, guys. This is our flathead here. Biggest of the night. And this was on the cut bait. I've always done really well with cut bait. Look at this one. This one's pretty big. This one's a toad. I mean, for the Schuylkill River, that is. So, I don't have a scale with me. I thought I did, but we're gonna play the guessing game. So leave a comment of how big you think this flathead is. I mean, it's big, but it's not like a monster, but big for this river though. Whew. Beautiful. Really happy. So we got a small one on the live bait, and we got a big one on the cut bait, on the bluegill head. So we're gonna go ahead and release this guy. All right, guys, we're gonna call it quits for the night. We caught a total of 2 flatheads at a new spot, so that's always fun. Caught a small one, but then we caught a nice decent one Never got the weight, but guessing around maybe 20 pounds. But yeah, we were just kind of using our cut bait, live bait combination, which I typically do when I target flathead catfish. I've always done really well with cut bait for flatheads. Of course, you know, they always say the big ones really come on the live bait, but for me, it's always been the cut bait. But like I said, the purpose of today's video is not really to say one's better than the other, but just so you know that you can use both live bait and cut bait for flathead catfish, and they're pretty good, effective baits to use. I appreciate you guys watching this video. We will definitely be back here again, and please consider hitting that subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and we'll see you next time on Top Tactic Fishing. Take care, guys.